Hello, welcome back. Here's a preview of some audio products that I will unbox soon. But before we start, kindly like and subscribe to my channel and enable that notifications bell to get updated. Let's start with Proto. These IEM have modular parts. I have already unboxed this, but if in case you missed it, it's right here. And these are the driver modules for the Proto with their different frequency response. Next, from KZ, JES, their new hybrid IEM with electric driver and a 12mm dynamic driver. Last, from Lenovo XT95 Pro. There is something cool about that case. We'll find out soon. That's all for now. Also, there are some new true wireless models from Edifier and Soundpeats coming, so stay tuned. So what do you think? Comments down below. Thank you and salamat.